I'm private jets, taking trips. I'm back at 6, wake me in your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hello my YouTube family, this is your girl here, Sharobu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. If you are new, kindly click on the subscribe button. So guys, I'm heading to my project to see how it has gone so far. I promise I'll take you one-on-one on how the going is. So I'll show you guys the far I've gone and the far the project is going. I hope you guys will enjoy and will keep you posted of any other thing. Ooh. Let's go and see how the project is. Okay, so guys, we are almost there. We're almost reaching the site. You can see the cocotos. What's the English name for cocotos? The ballast and sand. And the foundation stones. So guys, see this vlog. Let me give you a recap of yesterday's work. So far this is how the work was yesterday. I didn't get enough time to give you a full vlog, but guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. These are coming. Materials are also coming in. We're expecting some lorries of sand, and so far so good. I'm seeing a lorry is in now, so we're hoping for the best. So this is the overview of what is happening and the work being done. So guys, stay tuned, don't even move. This is the place to be. We learn each and every day. I'm not so green in building, but I can say I'm learning new things each and every day. So this is the place we can stay and learn more. So this is a lorry of sand which has just arrived yesterday, and they did the offloading of the sand, and so far so good. Guys, see the overview of the work done. This is what was done yesterday. Stay tuned on this channel for more. And I'll take you guys step by step. Let's go now to today's vlog, guys. Okay guys, we are here almost at the place. These are my foundation stones which remained, but I'll use them somewhere. These are the ballast. It's roughly 3 lorries, but I know you know the price. And over there you can see that's my sand. Some will come tomorrow, they'll offload tomorrow. I'll show you guys how the progress is going. So this is the place. We are here. See how far I have gone. There's water here. They'll bring the pump tomorrow before doing the how is it called, the koroga thing, you know. So this is the farthest we've gone. This is how far the project has gone. Hizi ni chuma zenye zimebaki. These are the D's remaining. This is where I'm keeping my, how are those things called, the forget about that one. These are the tanks where they store their waters. As you can see, these are the columns. Here you can see 2 columns. Someone to give me a good guess of what will come out of this. So the columns are ready. These columns, the formula they use to make this column is, they call it C25, I think. There's a mixture of ballast, sand, and cement. Whoever knows about C25 can explain to us in the comment section below. So guys, you can see this place it was like swampy. You can see the water, but they normally drain them using the water pump. It will be drained. So far this is the going, and I love the going. Those who know how building is, it's not an easy thing. So far so good. We are here and we thank God. So I've talked about the 2 columns here, and the 2 columns I've talked about are this one. Who can take a good guess of what's gonna come out of this place? Whoever knows can comment in the comment section below. That is it. Let me give you a proper view of the place now in a distance. And I told you this is called a double plot here in my previous video. If you haven't watched, kindly go and watch it. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button. If you are new here, hey, stay. This is the place to be. We learn more and more each and every day. So those timbers over there, we'll use them in making the columns here, and I've talked about the columns. So we'll use the timbers. So these are just the drums where they store water, and these drums, they can use the water, they can use the water to pour on these foundation stones already. These are called the foundation stones, and I've talked about them, and I've said that I have few remaining and I'll use them somewhere else. Building materials can't be thrown. They're very, very expensive. So that is it, guys. That's the progress. I hope you love the video. That's the ballast. The materials do come tomorrow. We are expecting some over here. We'll have sand, and I've even showed you, these are the sand they flooded yesterday. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me. Stay tuned for more and more updates on how the project is going. I'll keep you posted step by step. Tomorrow I've said we'll do the I think the water won't be there by tomorrow. I'll show you the progress. Guys, don't worry about, I've not talked about the plot not for sale. This is Nairobi. There are a lot of con people, so that's why they wrote those things there. Beware of con men. They can resell the plot for you unknowingly. So they had to put those writings on the wall to keep you aware not to buy that land, because the land is not for sale. That's why you can see there clearly, plot not for sale. It's already sold to someone else. So you be very careful in Nairobi. If you see something like that, or not really in Nairobi but anywhere in the world, let me talk about Kenya. Anywhere in Kenya, if you see something written plot not for sale, please beware of that plot. If you wanna buy it, do your due diligence. Don't just rush, because the plot is not for sale. You can be con men are all over. So guys, these are the materials, the D ions remaining. I'm using D12, D8 and D10. So as you can see, this foundation, we went 4 feet deep. 4 feet deep. The foundation, what they normally say is that the house is the foundation. But the foundation is the house. So we went 4 feet deep. That can show you how far we're gonna go with this house. And the building is the ions used. These things are so expensive. Very expensive. If you know how much they're charging, how much the price is, you can comment on the comment section below. So building is all about the D ions. D ions The site, the materials zimeingia. So far tumefika hapa. We are filling in. You see the water, we drew the water ile yenye ilijaa hapa yesterday. This is the work we did today. And then adding this, I don't know how this is called. Is it maram or what? So once they are filled, this place, the other side, everywhere here. Once it's filled up, we're gonna do the koroga now. So far, this is the work done today. This was about 20 lorries so far, but there will still be more additions tomorrow because the work starts at 8, close at 5, so you can't go beyond that time. So these are the materials so far which are here. Jana they were not like this, so there are small lorry which came today, and the kokoto too, we added some more lorries. So this is the progress for today, guys. I'll take you day by day. It's not easy to record while those people are working because here in Nairobi, people think that if you're filming them, it's not a good thing. So taking a video while they're here on the site is a little bit difficult for me. That's why I normally take a video once the site is clear. Guys, there's also a commercial plot near us here. It is going on, the project is going on. We are told there's cooperative bank will come down there, and good news, they said they'll put for us cabros along this way. So this avenue of us where I'm building, it's gonna be good. Children are also here playing. It's half time here in Kenya, guys, so that's why you're seeing so many children playing outside here. There's also, these are some other commercial plots that have not been developed. Maybe the owners will do something for us, and this place will be so busy. It will be a very busy place. Let me take you along. It's not so far from where I'm building. It's very close. It's not very far from where I'm building. It's just a stone throw away. So you're gonna have commercial bank over there. You're gonna have maybe, because it's a commercial building, there'll be a cooperative bank, and maybe other banks might take it, because the only bank I know of is cooperative bank. So this place will be so good. Supermarket is not even so far. We have store just right next door. So everything will be under one place. It will be a busy, it's a busy estate. It will be so good for rental, for